with almost 200 years of success at our backs. How are things today at Southwestern University? They're the best they've ever been. Because when minds are turned on, innovation thrives. When learners become doers, mastery thrives. When ambitions are met with open doors, achievement thrives. When strong communities amplify each individual voice, connection thrives. When individual talent gives everything for team greatness, the spirit thrives. When vision and purpose catch the winds of opportunity, institutions and the communities they call home thrive. Because when the university thrives, they thrive. Be a part of our thriving community. Choose Southwestern and deposit today.